Were you told that your termination was part of a company layoff? Let's talk about when that claim isn't just shady, it's illegal. Let's be clear, layoffs are legal. Companies will sometimes downsize, restructure, or cut costs. But sometimes an employer says it was a layoff when it's really discrimination or retaliation in disguise. If you were laid off after, say, reporting discrimination or requesting leave, you might have just experienced a wrongful termination masked as a layoff. Under federal law, employers can't retaliate against you for exercising your rights. That includes reporting harassment, requesting FMLA leave, filing an EEOC complaint, or speaking up about wage violations. Courts have made this clear. In Reeves versus Sanderson Plumbing Products, the Supreme Court said that if the employer's reason for firing you is false, a jury can infer discrimination. Sanderson Plumbing Products claimed they fired Reeves because of his shoddy record keeping, but he was able to prove his record keeping was properly maintained, and therefore the reason they fired him was false. So, if your employer is claiming the reason you were fired was because of layoffs, but you can prove otherwise, you may have a case for wrongful termination. And then, in the case of McDonnell Douglas Corporation versus Green, the court laid out a framework. If you prove you were qualified, fired, and replaced, or that others weren't laid off, you can show illegal motives. If you were the only one let go, especially after a complaint, and others in similar roles kept their jobs, the layoff story might not hold up in court. If you're hearing budget cuts but suspect discrimination or retaliation, don't ignore that gut feeling. Talk to an employment lawyer, because sometimes layoffs are just a legal smokescreen, and you might have a case for wrongful termination. You can visit our website at spigellaw.com for more resources or to book a consultation with one of our experienced employment lawyers. At the Spiegel Law Firm, we don't just represent you, we represent all employees, not employers.